We are very excited to sign an MOU between PIA and Fanatic today. Fanatic is one of the leading tour operators in Saudi Arabia, and by the virtue of signing this MOU, Fanatic will be offering a special discount to the passengers holding the PIA tickets. In addition, they will also be making efforts to promote the tourism of the Saudi nationals to Pakistan. As a national carrier, it is our aim to promote the religious tourism and also to promote tourism in Pakistan in line with the vision of the Prime Minister of Pakistan. So we look forward to work with them closely and look forward as a great opportunity for both the organizations.
Today is definitely a very exciting day for Fanatic to partner with PIA as a brand partnership, and with the advent of all this digitization that's taking place right now globally, there is definitely a new level of travel and the tourism that's starting, and with this partnership we will be aiming to provide the better services for the Umrah pilgrims coming to Saudi Arabia in partnership with PIA to promote the tourism, and as well as we are bilateral tourism to Pakistan as well, bringing the Saudi nationals to Pakistan in collaboration with PIA, and we would be offering better services and products inshallah in near future. So it's a great opportunity, it's a great time, and I think the customers and the travelers are going to benefit from this partnership. Thank you.